Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about CHKOBJ command. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios where we can utilize the CHKOBJ command to verify whether the object exists in system or not. So we will cover all the scenarios one by one. Okay, so if you want to learn more, like you want to refer few theoretical things about CHKOBJ, then you can do one thing. You can just simply write CHKOBJ, then press F4 here, or in this text you can place your cursor and just press F1 here. So here you will find all the information regarding this command. Okay, but all the possible or the most important scenarios for this command we will cover in these sessions. Okay, so first scenario, let me walk you through the code. So today we are utilizing CHKOBJ command to verify if the file exists in library or not. Okay, so to verify this thing, what we will do, we will simply write CHKOBJ, then press F4. Now here we will put the file name. So let's say my file name is test pf1, which resides in library Sharmit1, and the type of object is star file. So by hitting enter on these information, what it will do, it will execute this line. If it finds this object or this file in my system in library Sharmit1, then it will go normally. But if it didn't find this file or object in the system, then it will generate one error. Okay, so that's why most of the time we use chkobj command with MONMSG, because if it found the object, then it will simply process the further lines of code. But if it didn't found the object, then in that case it will generate error, and to trap that error we will use MONMSG command. Okay, so after chkobj we will use MONMSG for this particular ID. So this is the ID that occur if in case of CHKOBJ error. So in our previous session we also discussed how to find out all the error message ID. So in same manner I have found out this. Okay, so and here in exec I will keep do to start the block. So whatever the thing I will write inside this code is considered as a failure condition. Like if error occurs, then these lines of code will get execute. Okay, so here for now we are just printing file not found in the library. If there is no error, then in that case it will simply print file found in the library, and then the program will get end. So let's see if it founds the test pf1 or not. Calling, so it gives the message file found in the library. Okay, so let's see by changing something. Let's make it as abc tpf1, which is not there. Okay, so in this case it will generate the error, and that error will be trapped by the MONMSG command. So calling it, so you can see it returns the message file not found in the library. Okay, so this is the way through which we can verify whether the file exists in the system or not. Now there is one question, why what are the necessity of this command? So let's say if you are developing one big application, you are using multiple files, and by mistakenly someone has deleted that file. So if file is deleted, then application will generate error if it does not find the library in the system. So to avoid those failures or program failures or crash, what we will do, we will use the chkobj command to verify whether the file is there or not. If it is not, then we will do some specific lines of code. We can either give the message that file is removed or something, or we will take some alternative. Okay, but if it founds, then it will normally work. So this is how we can utilize chkobj for finding or for verifying whether the file exists or not. So once this line is written, after that we will trap the error, because if object is not there, then it will generate one error, and then we will trap that error using MONMSG command. Okay, so yeah, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss another scenario for chkobj command. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.